So you guys now do not know that I'm on her phone, but. Ooh, that my sound, ho. Ooh, that my sound, ho. Hey. Ooh, that my sound, ho. That my sound, ho. That my sound, ho. Give it in my whip, that be nasty.
Y'all, it's like 9 or something in the morning. I still got on my pajamas. I look a mess, but it's okay. But we at the beach. I don't know. I say we walking to the beach. Well, we are, cause the beach is like right behind our hotel is on the beach, but you gotta go like on a little pier thing because of like all the little hills and stuff. Cause look, like they. But it's just because of that. But my grandma just all the way back down. And everybody up here. But it's so nice, like, but that man sitting right there with all them birds ain't no nice though. Cause I don't do birds. Got a little sitting chair. It's really nice out here though. The gazebo's over there on the other side. And it has a pier. It's really nice. Luxury, whatever you wanna call it. This water is so settled. Like it's so like soothing. Like it's really little small baby waves and stuff. It's just really nice out here. But it's just like a little hurricane came through here and just like destroyed the little land over here because it looks a mess. But I'm finna get down to the beach and I'll talk to you guys later. Some big waves.
Alright.
Are you vlogging too?
What? Where are we?
The beach.
Where are we, guys?
The beach.
We're at the beach.
Harvey Island.
Samuel, where are
I'm
you?
dead. I'm dead.
Where you going? Where you going? Yeah, where you going? You going to the beach? You going to the water? You want to go to the water?
Y'all look, I look at hot men walking out here, y'all. That's just
We're at Tiny Island, guys.
that's the thing.
Of course, you know, I'm always doing family functions with my family. My mom's slowly coming. Y'all always know I take my riders out everywhere.
I gotta put my shoes on here. If a little bird come over here, I'm running.
And ride or die.
Oh no!
She's not coming. Do y'all see all
Mama,
those
do you see all these birds?
My mom don't like birds.
I don't need them.
She stopped. Hold on, y'all. Look at the pause for the calls. Look at the pause. Look at the pause. She saw the seagulls and she stopped. Mom, come on. Look at her. Look at her.
She said, "Oh no,
Look at
baby."
her. Mom, come on. That ain't gonna happen.
She is
saw
not
those
moving.
She ain't coming, and they right in our pathway. She ain't.
Yes, I have to.
Hold on, I shoot him. Shoot.
They running too. They like this. Look, they like this.
Doing the Holy Ghost.
Like shout.
Okay.
Was like on this ocean, but like in South Carolina part. But it like y'all can tell it like it's just coming this way. It's so terrible. But hopefully when it gets brighter outside, cause it's really early, so it's just dark. But I think when it gets a little lighter outside, it'll be better. The water waves are terrible with them. Mama! They're like huge. Look at the waves. Don't let them take my baby! Oh no! Like these waves are huge. Like they came all the way out here. They're too big this morning and like a big wave coming. They're just huge. But yeah, this is what we're spending our morning, so I guess I'll talk to you guys once we get ready for the wedding. Or skate rent. No, when we go rent scooters. And then I'll talk to you guys. Bye. So we at the club now, y'all. It's really late at night. It's like it's 11:16. It's after the wedding. After all of that, I put like little clips of the wedding in here because I ain't get the vlog because they didn't want anybody to vlog. I tried to sneak some footage. So I sneak some footage. I sneaked some footage on my Snapchat, which I didn't post on my Snap. I saved it. So yeah. But we in the pool right now. Too high. So yeah, well, it's loud out here. Your dad over there. So I'll talk to y'all probably in the morning.
Yeah, so you can find it. Oh yeah, hold on.
Okay, alright, you ready? Here. What's up, y'all? So today is Saturday. I don't know what today's date is. What today's date? Oh shoot, hold on. Today is September 20th, 2018. It is 11:13. Whoa, can you see my notifications? Hold up. It's 11:13. And we finna leave. We leaving. I ain't vlogged that much, but you know, it's because a lot of stuff they did couldn't vlog, so yeah, I try to sneak some footage like on Snap and stuff. So I already told y'all, and y'all already seen, I inserted some clips of what I could record. Mainly it was me, but it's okay. Yeah, we're gonna get back on the road. I'll probably vlog when we get to when we get somewhere or something. I don't know. Oh yeah, I might just see mini clips, but we'll see you then.
We going over grass.
Going over the bridge. Well, wait, don't say that now, because what if it start moving? Whoa.
And the jet ski.
It's a like island back there. Y'all see the island on the ocean?
Yeah, it's like a lighthouse.
Right. What? Mama, grandmama, and my daddy, that was all right. My boys gonna do better than me. They gonna go to college. They gonna be them two football playing boys. So I gotta say I'm back here.
That's kind of laughing and pointing at you.
I know it's like, his granddaddy. His grandma.
See if I can get one of them. We're gonna eat some seafood. We're in the garage. How do you want to go? Look at the door.
What a spoon, man.
Ain't no spoon.
Ain't no spoon? So you guys now do not know that I'm on her phone, but we are done for the night. We just got home. like 3 hours ago, and I know my mouth is blue because I've been drinking a Gatorade, and so
So we made it back home. Made it
she just came back.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock, yeah. It was a good though. It was a good trip. I'm glad they invited me out
Look at my bear now, bro.
and everything. But yeah, bye.
Bye. Don't be doing that intro all like that.
See ya later, alligator.